Now, the Ray and Nephew Fight Nights competition continues on Saturday with the second fight card in the series. The fight night moves to Arnett Gardens in St. Andrew at the Anthony Spalding Sports Complex. Jermaine Breezy Richards will be looking to make it 2 from 2 in the Ray and Nephew Fight Night series when he takes on Omar Headman in the heavyweight matchup this Saturday. Richards, out of iFight Promotions, won on the opening night of competition by technical knockout after Stephen Kinron's corner threw in the towel 2 minutes and 36 seconds into the third round. That fight took place at Klinkling Oval in Olympic Gardens, and now the series moves to Arnett Gardens for night 2. Richards is looking to take his ring record to 4-0.
Come tomorrow, I'm coming to see Omar Edman bring his best. Because a brethren of mine, you know what I'm saying? So I go in there, him not sitting at the ring at work time. Outside of the ring we are close friends, but inside the ring at work time, you get what I'm saying? So I'm just hoping bring him best so we can give Jamaica what they want for say excitement and nice boxing.
Headman weighed in slightly heavier than Richards on Friday at 210 pounds to Richards' 207. But Richards has a significant height advantage. But in spite of that, Headman says his opponent will be in for a fight.
He might go look for a fight where either it can go to the 4 round or it can stop before the 4 round. It's a champion against champion. Jamaica wants to see it, long time it for go on. And we just go in there and do the thing that we get paid to do.
The JDF's Jerome Ennis will take on US-based Malcolm Peck, who will be representing GC Foster College. Peck thinks the super middleweight matchup will feature 2 of the best in the category.
I'm prepared for a long night, but if it ends up short, then it ends up short. I'm prepared for anything.
And Ennis says he is not worried about any threats Peck may pose.
Not know much, doesn't matter. He's a southpaw, you know. Coach and us work on that, you know. So, I mean, it's been years I've been training, fighting. So, you know, where experience is concerned, you know, I'm going to overcome on that.
And iFight Promotions' Christopher Rodriguez had to hit the roads to lose the excess pounds for his welterweight matchup with Kevin Busboy Hilton. But he's not sweating Saturday's contest.
One thing about it, I've been training super hard, so my time is going to speak for itself on the night of the fight. If I can, I'm going to stop him in the first. If not, then it's going to be a nice show.
I can't say anything, you know, but I will first crack. That's what I say, because definitely I come here to stay. Coming in my country, you know.
Everton Levy will take on Jamari Fraser, Dimitri Moore will battle Daniel Elijah Linton, Anthony Creary will duel with Kamui Barrett, and Kimarley Samuels will take on Kevin Brown. Jermaine Bowen versus Dwight Young and Headley Scott's contest with Roman Canto are the other fights on the card.